Hi, Adam Smale here. Ever feel like you're just playing random sounds and what you're playing just isn't cutting it? There's a better way. I'm going to show you the exact anchors professional jazz players use to nail the chord changes, but allow you the freedom to go in any direction you want, all the while sounding like yourself. Not a copy of the fill-in-the-blank jazz musician who's been copied to death. Welcome to my second channel. Here will be a collection of the best, most watched moments handpicked just for you from my main channel, Jazz Rocks with Adam. Subscribe to this channel if smaller bite-sized learning is more your speed, but you're not a fan of YouTube shorts. Most people think jazz soloing is about learning more and more complex scales. It's actually about concentrating on just these 4 notes. We nearly always use 4-note chords as a minimum. This is what I want you to focus on. A root note, the note you build the chord from, then the 3rd, the 5th, and then a 7th. If knowing how chords are built is totally new to you, this video will be so helpful to you. Using a C7 chord as an example, the formula for all dominant 7 chords, which is just another common name for a 7 chord, is root 3, 5, flat 7. Remember, the 7th has to be flat or else it's not a 7 chord. That would be called a major 7. So if we want to create a 7 chord, these are the notes: C, E, G, B flat. Now, if we keep going, by selecting every other note, we get a chord all the way to the 13th. Now it's a chord. Now it's a scale. Now it's a chord. Now it's a scale. Now it's a chord. Same information. So I hope that it helps clear up where the 9, 11, and 13 come into play, if those numbers ever confused you. So now that we have all the basic chord information covered, we're going to concentrate on those 4 notes, root 3, 5, 7, and root 3, 5, 6 in some cases. Now for the cheat code. You have to be able to play something that makes sense, right? Something that links a series of chords together with a cohesive thread. That's where the notes of each chord come in. We call them chord tones. We're going to weave a thread of chord tones inside of our improvised line. Let's get used to placing our strong sounding notes on the strong beats of the measure, beats 1 and 3. I'm going to show you how to learn your chords and where to place these notes all in one exercise. Play through the song that you want to work on. In this case, I chose What Is This Thing Called Love, and simply play the chord tones on beats 1 and 3, like this. These notes provide footing and allow you to stay grounded in the chord that you're on. There's 10 chords in the song to learn. Not really that many. Some songs have way more chords. Here's a list of 10 chords and the chord tones for each one. Try the whole song with me now. If this clip has piqued your interest and you want more than just this one portion and you want to level up your jazz game, watch this video. I dive in deeper and teach you the secret on how to construct awesome sounding jazz lines. Click or tap on this video and let's get started.